I'm making the easiest and super delicious stuffed peppers. Start by slicing bell peppers in half and removing the seeds and stem. Place the halved peppers in a baking pan and lightly spray both sides with cooking oil and season with your favorite all-purpose seasoning. Finally, chop 5 ribs of celery and 1 bunch of green onions. Set the green portion of the onions aside for later. Put the peppers in the oven at 400 degrees for approximately 20 minutes. While they're cooking, start cooking your jasmine rice. As your peppers and rice cook, heat a small amount of oil in a pan and then add your diced celery and green onions. Once they've sauteed for a few minutes, add 2 pounds of ground pork. Season the meat and vegetables with Cajun seasoning and pepper. Once the pork is fully cooked, drain the excess grease. By now, your rice and peppers should be finishing up. To your meat, add in 1 large spoonful of better than bouillon chicken base and 1 cup of water. Once blended, stir in your cooked rice. You can eyeball how much rice you'd like based on your preference. Scoop your meat and rice mixture into the cooked pepper halves and top with shredded pepper jack cheese. Toss them in the oven for about 5 minutes to melt the cheese. While the cheese is melting, you'll make my favorite part, the Sriracha Sour Cream. Add a large scoop of the remaining rice and meat mixture to a plate and top with 1 stuffed pepper half. Drizzle with your delicious Sriracha Sour Cream and garnish with the remaining green onions.